Let me be blunt. If you've ever bought an AI tool that promised traffic, automation, or easy money, and all you got was confusion and refunds, this Synapse AI review might save you a lot of time and money. Synapse AI is not magic, but it is one of the more aggressive all-in-one AI platforms I've seen on WarriorPlus this year. If you want a single dashboard that helps you create content, campaigns, and assets fast, especially as a beginner, this is worth a serious look. If you're expecting push-button income, skip it now. So what exactly is Synapse AI? Synapse AI is a cloud-based AI platform designed to help beginners and marketers create content, build campaigns, generate assets, and deploy ideas quickly without technical skills or multiple subscriptions. It's built mainly for new affiliate marketers, side hustlers, beginners with no list and no ad budget, and anyone tired of juggling 5 different AI tools. The biggest objection it solves is simple. I don't know how to create content or launch anything. Synapse AI reduces that friction. Let me walk you through how it works. Once you log in, you land on a clean dashboard. You start by entering a keyword, a niche, or a URL. Synapse AI then generates content ideas, copy, assets, and campaign components based on your input. You don't install anything. Everything runs in the cloud. You choose what you want to create. Articles, social posts, emails, pages, images, or full campaigns depending on your access level. This is designed to be fast, not complicated. Type, click, generate, edit, use.
At 3:12 a.m. this morning, something happened that no one expected. Every major AI model on Earth, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Midjourney, suddenly connected for the first time. It wasn't a glitch. It was a shift, and out of that shift came Synapse AI, the world's first AI power grid. For the first time in history, every AI brain ever built now lives inside one dashboard that you can control with a single click. Hey, my name is Art, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Synapse AI, one app where every AI, from text to image to video to voice, works together in real time to create anything you can imagine. Think about that. Until now, AI was fragmented. You had to use 10 different tools, pay 10 different subscriptions, and waste hours switching between tabs just to get one thing done. Synapse AI kills all that noise. It merges everything into a single, living system that listens, thinks, and creates for you instantly. So whether you're a beginner who wants to make money online, a freelancer who wants clients without stress, an entrepreneur who wants speed, automation, and freedom, or just someone who's tired of doing everything the hard way, Synapse AI was built for you. Because here's the truth no one tells you. It's not the smart people who win anymore, it's the connected ones, the ones who plug into systems that multiply what they can do. And Synapse AI is the ultimate connection point. Imagine typing one sentence, build me a brand around coffee, and in seconds, watching as every AI goes to work. ChatGPT writes your copy, Midjourney designs your logo, DeepSeek runs your marketing strategy, Claude codes your website, and Gemini plans your ads. All inside one dashboard. No prompts, no downloads, no subscriptions. It's like having 100 of the world's smartest people working for you 24/7 for a one-time fee smaller than a pizza. You can use it to launch products, build businesses, design content, automate social media, write books, create videos, or start a side hustle from nothing. You can use it to generate scripts, emails, artwork, funnels, ads, apps, or entire websites without knowing how to code, design, or market. You can use it to replace a whole team of freelancers and still get better results in minutes. Synapse AI isn't just a tool. It's the death of limitations. It lets you think like a creator, work like a company, and move like a machine. And what's crazy is how simple it feels. You log in, type what you want, watch the grid light up. That's it. No learning curve, no API keys, no hidden costs, just you and every AI in existence, working together for the first time. The same technology used by OpenAI, Google, and Meta, compressed into one dashboard that anyone can use. But here's the part that blows people away. There are no monthly fees. You pay once. Own it for life. Every time a new AI model is released, Synapse adds it automatically. So your power keeps growing while others keep paying. Imagine how different your days could look if you stopped fighting with tech and let AI do the work. Waking up to finished projects. Having your content, graphics, and funnels done before breakfast. Launching ideas the same day they hit your mind. This isn't a dream. This is Essence AI. The moment AI stopped being a tool and became a force you can own. And here's the best part. It's for you, not for corporations, not for coders, for real people who want real results fast. Because at the end of the day, this is what we all want. Freedom, time, the power to build something without struggling for it. That's what Essence AI gives you. All the AIs, all the power, no limits, no subscriptions. Oh, and I almost forgot. You are protected with our ironclad money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you decided that Essence AI is not for you, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you've paid. No question about, so go ahead. Plug in, the grid is live and the future, the real future, is now yours.
Now let's talk upgrades, because this matters. The front end is low cost and gives you basic access. Upgrade 1, Synapse AI Infinite, removes limits and unlocks faster usage and unlimited campaigns. There's a done-for-you upgrade that gives you pre-built websites, campaigns, emails, and promos if you don't want to start from scratch. There are also optional upgrades focused on traffic tools, advanced creation, and reseller rights if you want to sell Synapse AI yourself. Nothing is forced, but if you plan to use this seriously, the unlimited or DFY options are where most value sits. If you grab Synapse AI through the link below, I'm adding exclusive bonuses to remove even more friction. Here's what you get. Bonus 1, Affiliate Quick Start Blueprint, helps you go from zero to your first campaign step by step. Bonus 2, Traffic Without Ads Training, learn how to get visitors without paid traffic. Bonus 3, High Converting Review Page Template, so you're not guessing what to write. Bonus 4, Email Follow-up Swipes, pre-written emails to increase conversions. Bonus 5, Content Repurposing System, turn one idea into multiple platforms. Bonus 6, SEO Basics for Beginners, so your content can compound over time. Bonus 7, Social Posting Framework, what to post, when to post, and why. Bonus 8, Offer Research Toolkit, find products people already want to buy. Bonus 9, Funnel Mapping Cheat Sheet, know exactly what goes where. Bonus 10, Mistakes to Avoid Training. This alone can save you months of frustration. You'll see these bonuses mentioned again near checkout, and they are only available through my link below. Final verdict. Synapse AI works best if you want one dashboard, less overwhelm, and faster execution. It's not a shortcut to riches. It is a shortcut to getting started. Important note on scarcity. These bonuses are limited and can be removed at any time. Once they're gone, they're gone. If you're watching this later, check below to see what's still available. So here's what to do next. Click the link below this video. Check out Synapse AI, lock in the bonuses while they're still active. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered automatically. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want more honest WarriorPlus reviews like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.